आते वक्त दरवाज़ा बंद कर देना। क्लोज द डोर आफ्टर यू। क्लोज द डोर आफ्टर यू। तुम इतने घबराए हुए क्यों हो? वाई आर यू सो नर्वस? वाई आर यू सो नर्वस? आज उसने मेरे ऊपर हाथ उठाया। टुडे ही रेज्ड हिज हैंड्स ऑन मी। टुडे ही रेज्ड हिज हैंड्स ऑन मी। मेरे धुले हुए कपड़े कहाँ हैं? Where are my washed clothes? Where are my washed clothes? तुम अपने बारे में बिल्कुल लापरवाह हो। You are quite careless about yourself. You are quite careless about yourself. हम दोबारा फंस गए हैं। We are trapped again. We are trapped again. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो तुम सीमा हो। If I'm not mistaken, you are सीमा। If I'm not mistaken, you are सीमा। मैं जवाब लिए बिना नहीं जाऊँगा। I'm not leaving without an answer. I'm not leaving without an answer. तुम मुझे इस तरह से क्यों घूर रहे हो? Why are you staring at me like this? Why are you staring at me like this? तुम इसका क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with this? क्या आप मुझे उसके घर ले जा सकते हैं? Can you take me to his house? Can you take me to his house? लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा। But I'll have to think a bit. But I will have to think a bit. तुम जाकर उसे बुला लो। You go and call him. You go and call him. तुम इतने दुखी क्यों हो? Why are you so gloomy? Why are you so gloomy? तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती ये काम करते हुए? Are you not ashamed of doing these things? Are you not ashamed of doing these things? वह काम में व्यस्त है। He is engaged in work. He is engaged in work. क्या तुमने खबर सुनी? Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? शादी सिर्फ 5 दिन दूर है। The wedding is only 5 days away. The wedding is only 5 days away. यह तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है। This is indeed good news. This is indeed good news. आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? तुम किस तरह के आदमी हो? What kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? परीक्षा 2 दिन बाद होगी। The examination will take place after 2 days. The examination will take place after 2 days. वह पूरा का पूरा बदमाश है। He is out and out a rascal. He is out and out a rascal. बच्चा ही तो है। He is but a child. He is but a child. ये कैसा मुमकिन है? How is that possible? How is that possible? दोस्तों के बीच में ये चलता रहता है। This goes on between friends. This goes on between friends. स्पीकर पर लगाओ। Put it on the speaker. Put it on the speaker. मैंने इसे कहीं देखा है। I've seen her somewhere. I've seen her somewhere. वह अभी तक उसी घर में रहता है। He still lives in that house. He still lives in that house. ये अस्पताल 24 घंटे खुला रहता है। This hospital remains open 24 hours. This hospital remains open 24 hours. ये भी कोई कहने की बात है। There is no need to mention it. There is no need to mention it. ये यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। This won't work here. दिस वॉन्ट वर्क हेयर। उन्हें कल सुबह 9 बजे बुला लो। कॉल दैम एट 9 AM टुमारो। कॉल दैम एट 9 AM टुमारो। अपने हाथ धो लो, खाना तैयार है। वॉश योर हैंड्स, द फूड इज़ रेडी। वॉश योर हैंड्स, द फूड इज़ रेडी। तेरी समझ में क्यों नहीं आ रहा? वाई डोंट यू गेट इट? वाई डोंट यू गेट इट? दोबारा कभी मुझसे इस लहजे में बात मत करना। नेवर टॉक टू मी इन दिस टोन अगेन। नेवर टॉक टू मी इन दिस टोन अगेन। हर एक को मौका मिलेगा। Everyone will get a chance. Everyone will get a chance. मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं देखना चाहता। I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. ये कलम सही काम नहीं कर रही है। This pen is not working properly. This pen is not working properly. वह बहुत गप मारता है। He boasts too much. He boasts too much. वह तुमसे ज़्यादा काम करता है। He works more than you do. He works more than you do. मेरे साथ बहस करना बंद करो। Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहा हूँ। I'm working on a project. I'm working on a project. जैसे कि तुम मेरी माँ हो। As if you are my mom. As if you are my mom. मेरे लिए इतना काफ़ी है। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. उनके पिछले हफ्ते शादी हो गई। They got married last week. They got married last week. सोनू को जॉब से रिज़ाइन करने को बोला गया। सोनू was asked to resign from his job. सोनू was asked to resign from his job. गिफ्ट खोलकर वो हैरान हो गया। He got surprised after opening the gift. He got surprised after opening the gift. मेरा 500 का चालान कट गया। I got fined of rupees 500. I got fined of rupees 500. अमित ने मुझसे 50 रुपए लिए थे। अमित took 50 rupees from me. अमित took 50 rupees from me. उसको मजबूरन अपना घर बेचना पड़ा। He was compelled to sell his house. He was compelled to sell his house. मेरा चश्मा घर रह गया। I left my spectacles at home. I left my spectacles at home. मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज ख़त्म हो गया। My phone battery died. My phone battery died. मैंने बिजनेस में 2 लाख रुपए डुबा दिए। I lost 2 lakh in business. I lost 2 lakh in my business. आकाश की सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी थी। Akash salary was not increased. Akash salary was not increased. मुझे उसने कुछ नहीं बताया। He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything. अपनी नज़रें नीचे रखो। Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. मेरा मन नहीं था उससे बात करने का। I wasn't feeling like talking to him. I wasn't feeling like talking to him. राहुल का इस बार भी प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ। राहुल didn't get promoted even this year. राहुल didn't get promoted even this year. क्या तुमने नए फ्लैट में शिफ्ट किया? Did you shift to new flat? Did you shift to new flat? क्या वाकई उसने मेरा नाम लिया? Did he actually take my name? Did he actually take my name? तुमने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा? Didn't you hear what he said? Didn't you hear what he said? अब उसका भविष्य तुम Now her future is in your hands. Now her future is in your hands. कुत्ते की तरह मत भौंको। Don't bark like a dog. Don't bark like a dog. मैं ठीक वहीं आ रहा हूँ. I'm coming right there. I'm coming right there. ऐसी हरकतें मत करो. Don't do such activities. Don't do such activities. नहीं पता. There's something you don't know. There's something you don't know. क्या तुम मुझे बेवकूफ़ समझते हो? Do you take me for a fool? Do you take me for a fool? तुम मुझे कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? अब तुम्हें किसका इंतज़ार है? Who are you expecting now? Who are you expecting now? तुम्हें मुझ पे चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए था. You shouldn't have yelled at me. You shouldn't have yelled at me. बोलना बंद करो और खाना खाओ. Stop talking and eat. Stop talking and eat. सोच के बताओ मुझे. Think it over and tell me. Think it over and tell me. मेरा चाय पीने का दिल कर रहा है. I feel like drinking tea. I feel like drinking tea.